Hello everybody and welcome back to the 3D CAD video tutorials. Today we are going to create a component called gear index. So let's start from analyzing the part. From the first glance you can see the outer circle with the radius of 58 millimeters. Then we have those 5 cut features allocated on the inner circle with the diameter of 56. Then we have the 5 arcs also on the outer circle, and the overall component thickness is 8 millimeters. Then we have the central circle cut, the dimensions you can see down there. So let's go to SolidWorks to create our component. The first step, I choose the top plane and I click normal to it. Then I'm gonna choose the sketch and create a simple random circle right in the section of the planes. So let's hide the planes. Right. We need to dimension it. You can see the radius of 58. So you can directly input 116 or you can input 58 multiplied by 2. It's fine for SolidWorks. Right. Next step is to create the inner circle with the diameter of 56. So I'm gonna do a simple random circle again. Right, like this, and let's dimension it. It was 56 millimeters. Right, the very important step. You need to make it for construction to allocate those features. So I'm gonna click on the circle, I go on the left menu, and I'm gonna tick for construction. Right. You can see the line is changed now. Let's create this feature. I'm gonna start from the circle allocated directly on the inner for construction circle, like this. To extract this dimension, we go here, you see it's 12, those two parallel lines, which are tangential to the circle, so it's 12 millimeters. And I'm gonna go to create a line, and those two lines. So I choose the line, and I simply create a line like this. It's gonna be coincident to the outer circle. Right, let's create a second line. Right, oh, it's not vertical. To fix it, you need to click on it, and let's go to the left side and click vertical. So you see it's fully defined again. Let's get rid of the unnecessary parts. I'm gonna choose the trim feature, right? And I just click on the feature I want to cut. So let's copy those features. For this, I'm gonna go to patterning. I'm gonna choose circular pattern. On left side, you can see the options you have. Right, it's 360 degrees. Right, it's 5. Full spacing. And entities to pattern. You just choose each of the things you want to copy. Wow, that's correct. And then I click OK. As you can see, it's not fully defined. To check it, you can drag any point you see it flows. To fix it, simply click on the center, hold Shift and click another center and make them coincident. Right, now it's black colored again, you can see it's fully defined. Let's create the arcs. For this I'm gonna go to the arcs menu, choose 3-point arc, and I'm gonna create something similar to what we have on a drawing. Right, and yeah, you see that there is a radius of 30, so I choose my dimensions and click. Yeah, it's 30 millimeters, but it's not enough to make it fully defined. Right, we need to dimension it here, which is 8 millimeters. So I choose this line and I choose the point. Take care, you need to choose the point, not the whole arc. I input 8 millimeters. The same thing I'm gonna do on the other side. Choose the line and choose the point. It's 8 millimeters. Well, now it's black colored and it's fully defined. Everything is fine. It's time to pattern our arc as well. So again, I choose the circle pattern, and then I go to those options and put 5 and entities to pattern. I simply click on the arc. You can see the yellow suggestions. They are fine. So I click OK. Oh, it's not fully defined again. So let's simply drag the center to the center back. Well, now it's okay. Let's go to the Trim Entities menu and trim all the unnecessary part. Yep, like this. Well, alright, it looks already like what we have. So let's create a central part. It's 12 millimeters. It's a simple circle, and yeah, simple and a circle. So let's dimension it again. It's 12 millimeters. So it looks like already we have enough to create a boss extrusion. We go to this menu to create our first extrusion here. As you can see, it looks fine. You can drag the arrow there, but it's not really convenient way. I prefer a direct input, so it's 8 millimeters. Well, that looks fine. I'm gonna click OK, and let's do the last step. Is this cut feature? You can see the diameter of 24. To do it, I'm gonna choose the top face and click normal to it. Then go to sketch, create a sketch, and create a simple circle like this. Let's dimension the circle. It was 24 millimeters. Well, we have everything to make the extrusion cut. Go to extrude cut, and you see already the yellow suggestion. We don't need the through-hole cut, so we're going to change it. You can extract it from drawing. It's 3 millimeters. Alright, so I'm going to input it right in there, 3. That looks fine. And I click OK. Well, this is how we create this component that looks the same as in the drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.